Alright YouTube, this is Scotty with Scotty's Habitat. Talking about hinge cutting on the property lines today. Right there is my stake. Let's take a walk down the property line here. Right there is all the hinge cutting I did. Right there is my property. Here's my neighbors. And there's actually a 2-track over there. He runs his quad down there quite a bit with his dog. So what I'm doing today is cutting fingers through my habitat here, little trails, so the deer have a place to scat through there pretty easily when he spooks in there. My side's really a little bit thicker than his. Then on the other side of this thicket is my main travel corridor, actually the trail I walk in on. If deer are over here, there's no way they're gonna see me. Very, very thick. I'd rather the deer actually walk this property line here. And here's my neighbor's side right here. This 2-track is right over there, about 50 yards. Here's a travel, what I call it, a finger I made, leading to my main travel corridor there. And there's a couple bedding spots I made up in there also. But that's my neighbors right there. There's another little lane I made. We'll actually walk up in here and show you what we got here. Pretty thick and nasty in here. Here's an actual spot I'm probably going to put a buck bed in. We'll rake this out probably in July or so and spray it with some ground clear. Boy, I think I'm off my trail. Hold on. Back up here. I actually left my dog in the truck because it's so nasty and thick in here if I lose him. There's a little open there I can turn it to bedding. There's another little area I can clean out. Make some more beds in there. I could do some beds up there too, it's kind of open. There you have it. We come out to my Alperac Plus food plot. Yeah, they can either go that way when they come out here, or you can cut right back this way. A lot of little trails I got carved in here. There we have it. There's my food plot here. On the other side of my plot there, it's still the same thing you had over here. Really thick, nasty cover with little trails going through it. So if these deer get spooked out here, they can go any direction. They have heavy cover. Alright, well that's my video. Scotty's out.